Hello everybody, my name is Jacko Wacko. Alright, this is my second time filming this video. As you can probably tell, I've already gotten into this. I was doing a Lego set, okay? I was doing this Lego set. I broke the box by accident. And it turns out I wasn't recording the whole time. I am very sad, okay? I am very sad inside, okay? This time, though, I am recording correctly. So everything's fine, okay? So real quick, it's the Overwatch Lego set that I'm doing. The, what's it called? I don't know what it's called, but it's that one. So we're building that. And it apparently goes on to this big one. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be putting that on. And, yeah. Again, very sorry that I was not recording before. I'm very sad. So, we had Tracer, aka Sonic the Hedgehog. I see you, Sonic. I see you. I see you. But that's not the point, okay? Right now, we've got Tracer. Tracer is now Tracer the Hedgehog, okay? She's fast. Zoom, zoom. Okay, no. I dropped it. Where'd it go? Can you see it? I see it. Ugh. Where is it? There it is. Ow! Sorry about that. I had to go through all the trouble to get this. But, that does not matter, okay? Sure, I totally messed up and did not record, but that's fine, okay? That's fine. If I was recording, then you would have seen a lot of mistakes, because I made a lot of mistakes, okay? So, this is the building so far, okay? This is the building so far. This is Widowmaker I made. So, let's just keep doing this, okay? I'm just gonna act as if nothing happened. Everything's fine, okay? Nothing at all happened. So, I'm just gonna get right back into this like I was. It was sticker time, okay? Sticker time. Stickers on these, alright? I'm gonna do some magic. And I'm gonna make the stickers appear on them, alright? I'm gonna move that so it gets out the way. Put my hand over it and just start screaming. Boom! It worked! Magic! No, magic. Magic. Alright. Magic. Alright. Where does this go? This goes there. Right there. Yeah. And then this one goes on that side. Beautiful. Alright. Beautiful. So I'm going to do the next couple pages and I'll be right back. And we're back. Alright, I added these things, that thing, boom, pow, some other little things. It's beautiful. Also, real quick, if you were wondering, that is from Five Nights at Freddy's. I made those myself. I looked it up on YouTube, and for some reason, it was a thing, okay? Made it for a birthday party, and now I hang them on my wall with all the other stuff on it. So, whatever. Am I right? I'm right. Of course I'm right. Why would I be wrong? So, where am I now? Oh. Page 17. That's fine. Am I right, Mickey? That's fine. I'm going to do the next pages because yeah. Why not? Am I right? I'm right. We're back. Again. Alright. I only did a little thing. I put these little side things on because it's sticker time! Time for stickers, alright? Sticker time always works. Sticker time always works because of magic. Magic. It's all magic, okay? Where do these go? That side. Which side does that match? That matches that side. So that's gonna go here. Here. Fit! Yeah. Okay. That one goes on that side. Right? No. 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 Wrong. Alright, that's good. More pages! Yay! Yay. Alright, I put this little thing on. Now it makes it look like a spaceship. What do you think about this, buddy? I don't know if you're happy or angry, alright? Just whatever, okay? Whatever. What next? More pages. I'm only on 21, okay? I don't know how many there are. By the look of how many pages there are, I'm gonna say there's like 30 left. So, let's just keep doing it. Sticker time! Magical sticker time! Let's do it! Sticker time always works. Look at this. Again. It worked again, okay? No. It was all magic, okay? It was magic, alright? Where did these go? This one's gonna go here. Yeah. Did it fit? It fit. Okay. And now this one's gonna go on the opposite side. Yeah. Alright. Is that it? Yeah. Next page. This looks not really annoying, but it is, okay? It is. Either way, it is. So, again, let's just, I'm gonna have to do this, but you guys get to skip it. So, I'm gonna skip to a fun part. Oh, another fun part! Another sticker time! Another magical sticker time. Magical sticker time. So this time, the magic is gonna be transferring to these two things. So, alright. Magic time. Magic time. Where is it? There it is. Magic. Oh, what? No. You're not supposed to do that. No, stop it. Gotta redo the magic. Boom. Worked again. Let's go. So, now, where does this go? I was only supposed to do one. Darn you, magic. So, which one is it? Yeah, that one. Where do we put it? Right here? What? Wait, what? Oh, right there. Yeah, I'm confused. It's supposed to go right here. Yeah. Sorry, it's just really hard to put this on while I'm holding a camera right now. Okay? It works. I mean, it's okay. And let me guess, the other side. Yeah, I was right. Thank you, magic. You were the best. Mwah. Alright. Yeah. This side. Okay, I gotta do this perfectly. Is it perfect? Should be. Woo! Did it. Alright. I gotta make a box. Alright, well, I'm gonna get the pieces for this, and, let's try to do some more magic. Once I get the pieces, though. Alright, here's the pieces. Let me see I know it's sticker magic, but let's see if it works, alright? Is that... No. Why are you here? Get out. Get out. Get out. Alright. Ready? It worked. Let's go. Oh, wait, what? Hey, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. It worked. I'm happy. Look, it worked, okay? Also, sorry for the weird noises, okay? That's how the magic works. This is how the magic works. You gotta do random noises. So I could just be yelling out right now, banana. And it might work. But I found that just screaming randomly works. So, yay. Let's see, what? Magic, you didn't tell me that it was more. Great, now I gotta do more magic for something that should already be finished. Whatever. What are the pieces for it? I'm gonna get the pieces, then we're gonna do more magic. Be right back. Alright, it needs all these pieces right here. It needs these, and then this. So, let's do it. Let's see if it works. I got a good feeling about this. I got a good feeling. Good feeling. Good feeling. Alright? It worked. Again, let's go. Magic is very helpful. Kids, when you're building Lego sets, use your magic. It always works. It always works. Okay? If you couldn't tell, I sounded like a car. So, vroom, vroom. Alright. I gotta make another one. Alright, well, I got this one, so. There we go. Oh, this is the Hello Neighbor book. The other one, Five Nights at Freddy's. I got a bunch of books right here. Alright, they're all Five Nights at Freddy's and Hello Neighbor and Bendy, because that's what I do with my life. Alright? Let's see if I can get the pieces for the next part of the magic trick, alright? I'll be right back. I got all the pieces right here. Let me do it. Let's do it. Boom! It worked. Alright. So, I gotta do some more magic. I'll be right back. Alright. This piece. And we got these. Alright. It's gonna end up looking something like this. But without this little gray thing. Okay? Without this little gray thing. That right there. That little gray thing. So. Don't fail me now, magic. Alright? We're so close. Just don't fail me now. Alright? Boom! We did it! We did it! We did it. And with the pieces left, I'm pretty sure there's going to be no more magic. But, what do we have next? Okay. Oh, okay. So, right like that? Like, yeah, there we go. 2 black dots. Wait, black? Yeah, black. Alright. Oh, this is going to be hard. I'm using one hand. This is going to stink. Alright. I can do it. Yeah. I did it. Okay, that's 1. And that's 2. Alright. We gotta place it. Which way does it face? Like that? Okay, like this. And boom! That looks cool. Now, this. Oh. Yeah. And then you can place that on top of it. But we're not going to do that, are we? No. Okay. What we're going to do, we're going to push all this off to the side, because that's extra stuff. Now, does it say it? Yeah! Right there. Right there, alright? I'm going to stick that to this, alright? Okay. How is this going to work? precision. Alright. I might have to take it off for this. Oh, and here's Bendy. Winston, my man. What's up? Ugh. Careful. Yeah. Sorry for bad camera quality and stuff. Just, you know. Alright. Let's see. Is that good? Ugh. Is it gonna fit? Is it, did it, something tells me it's off. Tell me, does that look off? Yeah. Okay, let's try that. Yeah. Yeah. That should be good. Now. Oh, darn it. Didn't mean to do that. Whatever. Sorry, Boris. Yeah. Did I do it? Oh, I did it. It looks beautiful. It's beautiful. Alright, let me take Mercy. Let me switch hands. Don't ask why I put Mercy here. Just accept it. I can't even do it. I really cannot do it. Alright, hold on. Hi. Yeah. Wow. This is just sad. What? Alright. Yeah. That should be good. Alright, Winston, my man. What's up? I'm gonna throw you... Sorry. There's the thing. It worked. Oh, darn it, now Boris. There we go, it's beautiful. That stuff I'll put away. Time to add these people in. Tracer. We'll just throw you right next to my man Winston. Widowmaker. You like rooftops, so I'm gonna throw you right there. Beautiful. Oh, there's the devil. And a random health pack. We'll stick it on a different Lego set. But that is everything done. Beautiful. Alright. Today, we did that, okay? We did loads of other annoying stuff. This, don't worry, I'm gonna put that in a bag. Real quick, does anybody else just take the pieces they have and just make random things with them? Am I the only one that does that, you know? I don't really think I can make much out of this. But, I mean, might as well try, right? Yeah. Hold on. Let me take that off. It's not working. Well, that stinks. That's not gonna fit. Oh, wait, no. I can do it. That doesn't fit. Boom. Oh, I did it. Okay. There. Let's see. We can add this. Oh, that didn't work out. Sorry. Just wanted to do that. Now. I'm gonna add... Oh, no. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna add this onto that. And then this. That's not gonna fit. This onto that. See? Wait a minute. No. Okay. Is that gonna work? No. The stand does not work correctly. Alright. Hold on. They're gonna be seeing my face again. Yeah. Oh, it works. It works. The claw. No! There's one piece. Okay, look at this. I'm so mad right now, alright? There's just one piece that does not... It can't go anywhere. Okay, now I'm sad. Now I'm just sad, okay? That just disappoints me. Alright. I'm gonna... Good job. Now I'm gonna take my brand new gun and just put it somewhere. No. No. Not in there. Yes. Beautiful. Now. Boom. Beautiful. This. Oh. You know what? I might as well show you guys. Alright? I've got time. I might as well. If you haven't noticed already, I've changed my profile picture on YouTube. It used to be this. Alright? Well, I just spent a couple hours on last Saturday drawing this. Okay? This is the new profile picture. I made this. Okay? It's good. Tell me what you think in the comments, alright? Just tell me what you think. That belongs in there. But anyway. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry this video has turned into a bloody 24-minute video. But, whatever. But, yeah, alright? If you enjoyed, then, you know, click the thumbs up button. This is literally what I'm using. Hold on. This is what I'm using. Okay? A bloody, whatchamacallit, this stand, the Comica stand, with my phone. My phone case is bendy, okay? Whatever, okay? I don't care. So, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. But if you have, thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you even if you're not subscribed. Click the bell so you get notified whenever I upload another video. Because I might be doing more Lego sets, okay? I might be doing more. Anyway, though, I hope you liked the video. So, I will see you all next time. Goodbye.